Tired of spending more time searching for client information than actually helping them? This video will show you how to organize your follow-up boss notes alphabetically, turning chaos into clarity and boosting your team's efficiency. First, let's talk about why alphabetical organization matters. Imagine needing to quickly find details from a conversation weeks ago. An alphabetized system lets you jump straight to the right note, saving you precious time. Now, inside Follow-up Boss, open a contact whose notes you want to organize. You'll likely see a list of notes in the order they were created. Not the most helpful for quick recall. Unfortunately, Follow-up Boss doesn't have a built-in alphabetical sort function for notes. Here's the workaround: strategically rename your notes before you click save. Make the first word or two of each note a keyword describing the topic. For example, if a note is about a specific property, start the note with property address. This will force Follow-up Boss to order the notes alphabetically based on these keywords. Do this consistently for all new notes, and slowly update the older ones as you access them. Here's a pro tip: use emojis or symbols before your keywords. Emojis or symbols will appear higher in the list than letters, allowing you to prioritize important notes. For example, a red flag emoji could signal an urgent follow-up. Finally, don't forget to utilize Follow-up Boss's search function. Even with alphabetical order, quickly searching by keyword will get you to the exact note you need in seconds. This combination of alphabetical organization and strategic searching will transform your Follow-up Boss experience. Spend less time searching and more time closing deals. Like and subscribe for more Follow-up Boss tips.